Aloo matar pulao. Cups of rice soaked for 15 minutes. 1 cup of matar or green peas. 1 diced potato. 2 sliced tomatoes. 2 to 4 slitted green chilies and 1 sliced onion. 2 tsbs of ginger garlic paste. Salt as per taste. Half tsb of garam masala powder. 2 bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 4 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, and 1 tsp of shazira. Heat cooker and add 2 tsps of oil. Add whole spices. Add sliced onion and green chilies. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste and fry for a few seconds. Add diced potato. Fry them. Add salt and sliced tomatoes. Mix and cook till tomatoes are soft. Tomatoes are soft and tender. Add matar. Cook matar for 3 to 5 minutes. Add 3 cups of water. Add garam masala powder. When water starts boiling, add 1 tsp of chopped mint and coriander leaves. At this point, add soaked rice. Give a nice mix. Close lid. Wait for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, wait for 5 minutes and remove lid. Remove in a serving plate. Aloo matar pulao is ready. Tasty and delicious aloo matar pulao is ready to serve. Enjoy this yummy pulao with dahi kareta. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.